Good day, my friend. In this video we will change the rubbers on the upper arm suspension for our Mercedes W123. First thing we'll have to do is to remove the wheel. What we have to change is this completely at the end. We will have to unbolt it here. You see here, it's just at the back there, so it's a bit difficult to access. So what we're gonna do with a spanner of 19, we're gonna block one side, and the other side, instead of removing all this, you can use a ratchet with a long bar, so like that you will have access to it, and we're gonna remove that. On the other side, it's much simpler. We're gonna remove the bolt of 17 that's there, and as well this one, which is also 17, and then we're gonna extract this. So if you got an extractor, much better. I have the arm with me. As you can see, it's completely toast, and so what I'll do now, I will clean on the inside very nicely, because I can see there's a lot of rubber left, and it looks like I will have to change this as well soon, because it doesn't look too good. This is now much cleaner, much better, and we are ready to fit our new parts. Of course, as usual, I will give you the part number, so like that you'll be able to buy it. Okay, so if you want to place it like that by hand, as you can see, you will have to force quite a bit. And I don't want to force, so basically what I will do, I will use a press like this one that I bought on Amazon, and we'll fit it. What you'll do, place a little bit of grease inside, so like that it will be a bit easier. Now that it's fitted, what I will do, I'll place a little bit of grease on both sides, so like that it'll be easier to place back inside. Okay, so we'll put it inside, we'll fit the bolt, and we'll mount the rest. When comes the time to place back the arm, to fit it here can be a bit tricky, because sometimes it doesn't align properly. The part can be a bit higher or lower, etc. So what I've done, I've used a screwdriver and I placed it in to move it a bit up or down, and then I've been able to tighten it properly. Okay. Now, when comes the time to mount these as well, you may not remember how those things are fitted. Well, very simple. Usually with the dirt you will know where the bolt goes, okay, but you will have the larger one that goes first, okay, and the curvature goes on the outside, and then the other one goes in, okay, and then you fit it. When you are reaching that point, you will see that it's a bit of a problem to link those two because of the height. So what I do, I raise the car as much as I can, and then I place some wood, or you place anything you want. Here I've got a jack as well, and then after I will lower the car, so this will raise and I will be able to attach it. That's it, everything is done, fitted. Okay, I need to do the other side of course now. Usually when you change one side, you change the other as well. Okay, and then once it's done, you drive the car, you make sure everything is in order. Okay, so I'll leave you now. If you want to see how to change the radiator, you can watch that video, or simply visit my channel and you will see hundreds of videos on how to repair your Mercedes. Okay, take care.